Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to electronically sign a PDF file on your computer, whether it be Windows or Mac. So now let's dive into the video. First thing we need to do is open up our browser, and you will get the link in description, and it's going to take you to this Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. Now here just simply go to download Acrobat Reader so the software will start downloading. And this software allows you to send them off to other people directly within the software. But right now, state that we are just going to be focusing on signing documents. Okay, so now the installation process has started. The installation process takes 5 to 8 minutes to install the software. So actually, Adobe Acrobat allows user to digitally sign PDF documents securely. So to sign the document, once the installation process finished, click on Finish and it will launch the software directly. Wait until the app launches, and it's going to look something like this. It's going to prompt you to use the program as default, but we don't want it as default, so simply go to No. And now here comes the main part, to sign. So here you see the option Fill and Sign. Click on Use Now. Once you click, it will open up like this, and here you need to select the file. So click on Select a File, and I am just choosing my PDF here. So once you select your document, click on Open and it will show up here. Now we need to sign here, so let's do this. Now in the toolbar, you see the option Fill and Sign Yourself. So you can add signature, or you can go with add initial. You can type your name, or you can draw your signature using a mouse or touchpad. And also you can upload an image of your signature. But here I will suggest you to type your name and choose a signature style. So you will type your name here. I am just typing my channel name, and then go to Change Style. And from here you can change the style of your signatures. There are so many options, you can choose according to your choice. Once you are done, simply click on Apply, and now place it where you want. So I will place it here just in front of sign. And also you have option, you can increase or decrease the size of the sign like this. Signing electronically using Adobe Acrobat offers a convenient and cost-effective solution for businesses and individuals alike. This not only saves money but also reduces environmental impact. Make it a sustainable choice for modern document management. Okay, so now once you are satisfied with your signatures and its style, you can save the documents to your PC. So to save it, tap right here and it will open this box, and from here you can choose the location where you want to save your document. So I will save it in Download here. You can rename your signed document and simply click on Save. And there you have it. Embrace the power of electronic signatures with tools like Adobe Acrobat. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!